Hi, I am Yamach.
And I'm Sue, and together we are the RV Exec Chef. Now Thanksgiving is right around the corner and we've got 4 great videos we're pushing out for you.
First of all, you have to do your cranberry orange sauce. This is fresh. You only need fresh cranberries, 1 orange and sugar. First step, what you need to do, take your orange and zest. You can use outside the orange and inside the orange for your sauce. I zest the orange all the way. Now put your cranberries inside the pot, couple escape, and your orange zest from 1 orange, sugar, and cut your orange half and squeeze with your hand inside. I put all my ingredients inside the pot and I am bringing on the fire. I put everything inside the pot. 15 minutes your sauce will be ready. And how you will understand, your sauce will get a little bit thicker texture.
So let's have a quick recap. So in the pot right now we've got all the cranberries, we've got the sugar, and we've got the zest of 1 orange juice, and you just let that steep away in there until it condenses down and it gets a little bit thicker.
As you can see, our sauce is getting there, almost down. You see, it gets a little bit thicker texture. Maybe a couple more minutes, we'll be ready. How's the taste, Sue?
Ooh, looks so good. Let me taste.
Yum.
Oh wow.
Like it?
Oh yeah, you got
You
all
feel
the taste.
the little bit orange taste
especially
inside?
the orange. So this is, as you can see, it's like a sauce, but it's got lumps in, hasn't it? It's got the cranberries in it, but that's the proper sauce.
Yeah, all cranberry sauce. This, yeah.
But if, oh, got some more. But if you want it smoother, runnier,
yeah,
you just keep boiling it away.
Boiling and give pressure a little bit on the cranberries, you know.
Oh, that's so good. I could eat that on its own. So you put that with the turkey, and you're also going to use that for something else.
And the stuffing.
Oh,
yeah.
we're going to use this in the stuffing as well.
Too.
Yeah? Oh. Yeah. So the cranberry sauce, you can, quick tip, you can make this in advance. So you can make this the day before Thanksgiving, or even, what, 5 days before?
5 days before,
5 days before. All you need to do is just let it cool right down, and then you can pop it in a sealed container and leave it in the fridge until Thanksgiving. Yeah. Now, if you're wondering what all this steam is and what's in this pot, this is going to be our turkey gravy. So if you want to make your own turkey gravy, pop on over to our other video, turkey gravy, how to make it, and you'll see exactly what we've done there.